pieces where it's thicker, you see that?
Grey Goose, François.
The extraordinary belongs to those who make it. Fly beyond. Grey Goose, the world's best tasting vodka.
Educational. What are you doing?
Read.
Why? There's a TV right there. Newsworthy.
The more intelligent the monkey, the more feces they fling.
And hard-hitting. You're averaging 4.7 nights a week. You'll be married by Tuesday.
That's what I got to do.
Are all words we would never use to describe our Wednesday night comedies.
When you say it like that, it just sounds stupid.
Just enjoy a brand new season of Men at Work. Premieres Wednesday, January 15th at 10 after The Big Bang Theory
These
on
two.
CBS. Very funny.
Okay, Willie, that's it. This time try to stay clean for more than a day.
Make it nice. Anchovy Sunday. Okay, enjoy that.
Henry?
Hey.
You
How's
still
your
filming
head?
it?
Oh, it's fine. Don't worry.
One of the artificial TVs because they're pretty thick.
I needed to see
Shiny
it.
side up.
Okay. What you got there?
It's my journal. I write in it every
And then you
night.
grab it
You
and
don't
then
like
I'll
the video?
fold it.
No, I love it. It's just that sometimes when I watch it, I feel like I'm being told about my life from someone else. And when I read this, it's like I'm telling myself.
When did you start this up?
Right after
You know, yeah.
Really?
I was so nervous to come here and meet the guy that makes me fall in love with him every day.
Well, probably thought I couldn't live up to the hype.
No, I was nervous
Make
because
sure I keep it flat, otherwise it's just fat now.
I came here to break up with you. You had plans and a life before you met me, and now all you have time for is to make me fall in love with you every day.
That's not all I do. I gave a penguin a bath today. Which I'll have to do again tomorrow.
Henry, I look at my dad and my brother's lives, and I won't do that to you.
What do you want me to do? Be some stupid chapter in your scrapbook and then go on my way?
No. My plan is
Keep
to
on tightening it.
erase you completely so it's as
There's
if
the
you never
middle.
existed.
I'm gonna do the middle
Why are
too.
you doing this?
Because you have to understand that there is no future with me. Don't you want to have a career and
I always do the middle one a little bit smaller.
I asked you to marry me last night. You
Stick
said
it in
yes.
between these two.
Yes, yeah, I'd love to do it.
It's too fat and it doesn't
how is that
look
going
right.
to work?
Doesn't fit.
I'm going to wake up every morning with an enormous pregnant belly and no memory of how it happened. I have to make a new journal that doesn't have you in it.
Even though I do one in the middle, I'm doing 3 rows. It only looks like 2. See?
Worried about it
Isn't that
tomorrow.
weird?
When you forget about
It
all
kind
this
of keeps
breaking
them all
up,
together.
okay?
See, it only
I'm
looks
not going
like
to
2
forget
rows.
about it. I already wrote it down. I won't let myself. And I'm going to do it whether you want me to or not. I'll be at my house. Okay, take this
Thin one,
one.
I need a thin one.
Saturday, November 25th, I drove out to Callahan Institute today and had a talk with Dr.
No, there's one of them.
Hold
Me.
it.
Reminder, he makes funny noises when I kiss his neck. I'm gonna miss that.
You sure you don't want me to put that in there?
Fold it in half. And then I do the 2 things.
You can skip that.
Oh, let me read.
Fold one side.
We made love tonight. It didn't last long, but it was incredible.
Fold the other side.
It's not all about how long ago. It's, there was a connection, I thought. Actually, let's just read
And you
that.
go to the outside again. You gotta make sure you don't mix these up though and get them